we are proud to introduce our award-winning audio booster. Meet the AudioWow. It's the first wireless sound card in the world with all-in-one inclusive features for professional calls, music mixing, social media, and more. This year, we received the CES Innovation Award for the groundbreaking technology and unique algorithms that make this the smallest, most dynamic sound card in the world. The reaction to its immersive experience is the same every time.
Hello? Oh, wow.
Whoa! Hello? Oh, wow. It's so clear. There's no background noise at all.
The smart, built-in algorithms allow you to adjust the noise reduction level for any environment. This allows you to speak quietly and experience a near face-to-face conversation, even when outdoors or on a busy street. With the AudioWow, you can easily record and transcribe phone calls for personal or professional use.
Why don't we start as soon as possible?
All right, sounds good. Let's shoot for the 1st of April.
With AudioWow, your phone can be instantly turned into a sound console. Now you can rehearse, record, and mix music right from your phone, letting your creativity reach new heights.
Oh my, look like the poised to shine.
2 different channels of audio can be recorded, automatically processed, and delivered to your smartphone for listening, editing, or sharing. You can even make music videos on the go. If you like karaoke, sing along to any song. The AudioWow will cancel and replace the original vocals, allowing you unlimited access to all your favorite music.
Fly me to the moon, let me
Play among the stars.
You can also use real-time effects like digital monitoring, tone changing, and reverb. Our signature reverberation magnifies your voice in real time, creating a surround sound effect.
Won't you bitter or more?
Explore all the features, like a selection of fun voice-changing filters.
Hello.
How are you?
Ooh, I like this one.
It's serious.
AudioWow's low latency feature provides perfect lip sync between audio and video. It allows you to add background music to your videos
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel.
and records full bandwidth stereo quality audio. Let the AudioWow monitor your voice while you learn a new language,
Pancho?
or pair it with our receiver to live stream. AudioWow is compatible with smartphones, GoPros, and more. Whether you're making a podcast, live stream, music video, or call, AudioWow delivers an outstanding experience every time. AudioWow. Immerse yourself in stereo quality sound everywhere you go. Back us today.